Severe Weather Awareness Week is all about being prepared before disaster strikes, so you and your family can stay safe.
Build a kit, make a plan, stay informed. Have that disaster kit. You can buy them ready-made, or you can just assemble them slowly over time, store them in a tote, something with a lid that you can snap on, keep moisture out and insects out and that type of thing.
Here are some of the basics you'll need. Then discuss with your family where you'll take shelter during severe weather.
It still amazes me how many calls we get the first tornado day of every year. People call our office, I don't have a basement, where am I supposed to go to take shelter? You need to be thinking about that now, before tornado season really gets here.
Stay informed about severe weather by taking a free class through Sedgwick County to learn the warning signs and how to stay safe. For dates and locations, check Sedgwick County's website or call 316-660-5959.